All right, guys, we got a 2015 BMW X5. This is what it sounds like before. Not bad. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95 again. It's a really beautiful B-badge BMW X5. I like it. All right, guys, 2015 BMW X5 M. So it's got the massive V8, it's almost 600 horsepower. He's gonna put a tune on it and make it even around 660. It's gonna be a sick car once it's done. It's already a sick car, but it'll be even sicker once it's all done. Sexy white on black. So we'll show you what we did to it. Got factory converters up there on the motor somewhere. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way around on each side, back, into 2 resonators in the middle, right there. One here, one here. Then 3-inch pipe continues on each side. And then what we did is put 2.5-inch pipe and replace the 3-inch with 2.5, because you can't really bend the 3-inch that without kinking it. So we put 2.5, and it gives it a little bit more back pressure. Also, this one comes with valves. So what we do is we zip tie them, we cut them out, leave them plugged in, and leave the valve on there. When you guys want to do these, you want to make sure you leave the valve on there, because it will trip a check engine light if you don't, and then you just zip tie them away like that, so the motor thinks it's still in there. And then we put 2 tips on it right there, and there's the quad tips that we put on it right there, and right there, staggered black Namonti tips. Came out really sexy, really clean, as you guys can see there and there. There it is, muffler delete. And there's the muffler that's originally on it, right there. And it comes with 2 more massive resonators out the back on it. And that's where the valves were on these, right there. Right there, that's where we cut them out, and then it comes quads out the back. That's what we cut out and ran this in its place, so it's got a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, USA. Nice idle. Yes, that's it. Speed. Your sound is 114. That's perfect. I love it. I love the look of the tips on it too. Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up. Is there a sport button or anything on it?
Well, yes, it's the M buttons on the steering wheel.
Show him. Turn on the M. It might get louder.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. He's gonna turn on the M package, the sound of it, to open up the valves more. Yeah, it changes sound. See that? Yeah. I like this sound better. It got deeper. Imagine when you do the tune. Bro, when you do the tune, it's gonna be sick. Turn off the M. Oh, it sounds so good. See the angle of the tips? Oh, perfect. See? Stick out just right. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW X5 V8 4.4 liter M package. X5 M. Whatever they call it. Still sexy. Black on white, white on black, whatever. Nice tips, just beautiful. Let's see how much this thing will fly. Yes! Bass boom! Out of an X5. Beautiful.